Good morning, Year 2. This is our second lesson for science for week 3. We'll be learning about states of matter. Now, states of matter, we've been looking at the word solid and liquid in the previous lessons, but it will go into more detail. So it includes the air we breathe in, the clothes we wear, books we read, the food we eat. Those all involve states of matter. States of matter contain molecules. Molecules are the smallest possible amount of a substance. We have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now I'll show you a picture. This diagram will represent a solid. Now if you look at these circles in this container, in this shape, so a solid, it's molecules. These are molecules that are tightly packed together. So a solid is something that keeps its own shape. The molecules of a solid are tightly packed together. And examples of solids are desks, chairs, books. Anything that is solid, it's hard. That is a solid. Then we have liquid. This is a diagram to just demonstrate what a liquid is according to the molecules. Liquid is something that doesn't have its own shape because molecules are more loosely packed together. So can you see that they are loosely packed? Liquids take the shape of whatever container they are put in. So if you put water into a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. Examples of liquids are water and juice. Then we have a gas. This is the third state of matter. Gas has no particular shape. The molecules are spaced apart, and the gas usually cannot be seen. A cube of ice can turn into liquid with heat. So when you heat up ice, it will turn into liquid. But when your liquid, the water, is heated up, the bubbles that form on top of that consists of gas. So when you boil water on the stove and you find that the water is boiling a lot and you see those bubbles that have come up on the water, that is a gas. So those are the 3 different states of matter. If you look at the 3 together, you'll know the difference. You'll see the difference. The solids, the molecules are tightly packed. The liquid, they're more freely able to move. They're more spaced out. And the gas, there's not many circles in there, so not many molecules. They are very far apart. So these are the states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So we're going to work on a worksheet on states of matter. It's solid, liquid, and gas. You have different columns, and we have little cards here with pictures. It tells you exactly what it is. You're going to cut it up, and you're going to put it in the correct column, whether it's a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So wind, you have to put it in the correct column. River, what do you think a river would be? Hood, there's smoke, juice, table, steam, rain, wool, helium, soda, shoe, air, soap, and apple. Now remember, a gas also is the air we breathe in. So carbon dioxide and oxygen are known as gases as well. We breathe in oxygen, we take out carbon dioxide. So would be your gases as well. Helium is also known as a gas. So you're going to cut out the different items, objects, and you're going to stick it in, whether it's a solid, a liquid, or a gas. That is the end of the lesson. Thank you.